Hello everyone, it's 2024, and we're looking at the top best-selling 360 cameras of the year. Let us begin with the overall most frequently purchased Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is a flexible and user-friendly 360-degree action camera that takes what made the ONE X2 exceptional and amps it up a notch or two. Like its predecessor, this camera is upright and stick-like. If you wish to attach a selfie stick, there's a threaded mount point on the bottom. It fits easily in the hand. And for those who are curious about the materials utilized, the sides are plastic with a diamond embossed pattern for added grip. It features 4 physical buttons, 2 on the front and 2 on the side. However, it is mostly a touch-based interface, with a few motions that you will need to become used to. Flicking right brings you to the shooting mode screen. Once you're used to it, the Insta360 X3 is a piece of cake, and it seems sharp on the 2.6-inch screen. Now coming to the performance, it uses an 1800 mAh battery, notably higher capacity than the 1600 mAh of the GoPro Max. 5.7K resolution mode, Insta360 says it can last 81 minutes. Now comes the Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch The Edition. This is for the serious filmmaker looking for the greatest image quality and low-light performance. It's double the price of the standard Insta360 ONE X2, but considering how much better it is in terms of low-light performance, dynamic range, and clarity, we think it's well worth it. It feels extremely well constructed, employs 6 gyro flow state stabilization for super smooth video, and includes a touchscreen, which is wonderful for previewing footage, but not so simple to use. It is far less expensive than the Ricoh Theta Z1 and provides a significant step up in quality, making it ideal for individuals who want truly professional-looking material. Yes, it is IPX3 water resistant up to 60 degrees, which explains its solidity. This is a common feature of Insta360 cameras. The ONE RS 1-inch. If you've tried the alternatives and want to upgrade from the little sensors used in those 360 cameras, this Insta360 ONE RS 360 1-inch variant doesn't appear to be too pricey. It's certainly less expensive than its competition, the Ricoh Theta Z1, which we will discuss later, and yet it accomplishes a lot more. GoPro Max. Following that is the GoPro Max. This 360-degree action camera is an excellent piece of equipment. The GoPro Max's picture and video quality are strong enough that they could get it here on their own, but it also has a slew of simple features that ensure almost anybody can get a lot out of it, since it has a smooth app, it will allow you to edit clips from 360 footage almost fluidly, which means you can acquire excellent shots no matter where the camera is aimed and switch between them with ease. Like others, the Max also has other great specs. It's a very respectable vlogging camera with a 6-mic system, and the 1600 mAh battery lasts a long time, which will let you have enough charge for a day's shooting. It's a pretty expensive alternative that lacks a specific 4K video capturing feature seen on other competitors, such as those from Insta360. But still, this Max, on the other hand, simply has that GoPro polish that makes it the greatest 360-degree camera experience you can get right now. Ricoh Theta Z1. This model captures high-resolution 23-megapixel still images and movies in RAW or JPEG formats. Its 1-inch sensor enables excellent low-light photography, which is ideal for shooting night sky or the northern lights, and has companion applications like many of the other cameras I tried, but unlike other cameras, you don't need to utilize the app to capture photographs. The apps, one for editing and one for shooting, are simple to use and will help you achieve high-quality results. Most significantly, you don't have to be an expert to use this camera, which fits in your pocket. It is the peak of 360-degree cameras for real estate virtual tours. It exemplifies excellence in the delivery of high-quality, comprehensive photographs and movies, allowing photographers to present properties in their best light. Thanks to the simplicity of its design, anybody, from amateurs to pros, can use it with ease. PANOX V2. Following that, we're excited to launch the PANOX V2, a cutting-edge 360 camera from the company that is behind some of the world's. It complements its extensive feature set and provides a unique experience for anyone wishing to shoot 360-degree material from a new angle. With PANOX V2, you can enjoy amazing 5.7K video quality, guaranteeing every detail is crystal clear for an unparalleled watching experience. Also, its sophisticated active HDR mode overcomes every lighting problem, producing unrivaled image quality. Likewise, we could make beautiful 8K time-lapse recordings, while its excellent stabilization technology assures stable filming when we're moving. You have complete control over every shot, connect to your smartphone wirelessly, alter settings, and shoot spectacular moments with accuracy. On top of that, with this camera, we can ring in a new era of Google Street View with easier capture and upload. Given its built-in GPS, it provides exceptional precision and efficiency for creating panoramic material. Rico Theta SC2. Before we wrap off this video, we'd want to mention the Rico Theta SC2 360-degree, because at its pricing range, you won't find a 360-degree camera that shoots photographs and movies as easy as the Theta SC2. You may mistake the Theta SC2 for a fancy-looking remote if you didn't know the device's one face just has the Theta logo, while the other has a single button with a tiny pill-shaped OLED display that shows the shooting mode and battery life. It includes features like 4 connectors for the built-in stereo microphone on the top and a standard 0.25-inch 20 tripod mount, and a micro USB connection for charging and data transmission on the bottom. And when it comes to performance, it can function independently of a smartphone, but in order to set it up and eventually upload material, you must couple it with an Android or iOS device. Because of the high-speed interface-compatible image sensor, it can record 4K video, and the camera also has a shaking correcting mode and a recording time of up to 3 minutes, while its 1-inch image sensor enables high sensitivity and low-noise photography. As well, a feature called Night View Shooting preset allows you to record low-noise photos and is meant for usage with a tripod. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you guys in our next video.